Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a PDF file searchable. So if you try and do Control F on a PDF document or a file and you notice that you're not able to search for any words and it's not picking up any readable text, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to jump right into it and we're going to start by opening up a web browser here. I'm going to have a link in the description of this video here. So you want to just upload the file, so select choose file right here. Very easy, you just want to navigate over to where the file is located. In my case, it's on my desktop. Select the language output here and enhance scan quality. You don't necessarily need to change that here, but we're going to just select start. And this should take a couple moments depending on how big it is. Now, I'm not sure if there's a page limit. There might be a 10-page limit on this particular site, but this is more or less just to give you guys an idea of maybe what you're looking for, because there are quite a few websites out there that will claim that they can convert a PDF file to viewable or readable text. I don't really want to get too much into the technical side of it, but it's definitely a cool process, and there are definitely sites out there that do not necessarily represent what they are claiming. So I just thought I would reference you guys to a site that I personally use. And you can see the result is a PDF file. So I'm just going to click on it one time to download it. It is going to download it as a separate file unless of course you saved it over somewhere else. So I'm just going to download it and go in my downloads folder. If I show in the folder here and let's say open it up with Adobe Reader, if I did Control F, I know it's sideways here, but it should still get the point. Let's say I search for the word rather, so just rather. You can see it comes up with the text result, and if I rotated it, it should be a little bit easier to see here. So you can see right here, it shows it as being rather, and it will work for just about any words that you can come up with. Most words should be detectable. Now, depending on how the quality of the text is, it might not work in all cases, but I've noticed it works in quite a few cases, if not most, especially if it was text like typed on a computer at some point in time. It usually works the best, and the more legible the better. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.